the song. No.
I'm working on dying.
I'm gonna look a fractal noise smoke in because you know he's smoky shit. You know what I'm saying?
Show you how to create a smoke.
Hello guys. Well,
Yeah, that's hard. That's hard. It looks like shit, so I'm just gonna find one on the internet. Alright, so here I'm masking the smoke and making it like reveal type shit. So it's like gonna reveal from the top right to the bottom left, you know. And yeah, I'm just messing with the mask right now to make it look good. Make sure the mask feathers on like a lot, because that will make it look good or whatever. After the smoke is done, I gotta make a Sanji look good. You know what I'm saying? Just look at how my keyframes are positioned. This Sanji only gets revealed like 3-4 frames in, because I want the smoke transition to be the first thing that like it gets seen. Yeah. So now I'm gonna mess with the Sanji one. So I'll hit the first layer. I made a black solid. And I tried to copy the same exact keyframes as the smoke transition, so it looks like it's revealing at the same time. Just like this, it's revealing at the same time. On the black solid, I put turbulent displays. That's how you see these rough edges. Just look at the settings on top left. Yeah, so it looks like a reveal. You know what I'm saying? I put uni heat wave on it, which makes it like heat wave. Yes sir. And then I'll put exposure. Now the creative juices are flowing. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, so I got 2 clips of Luffy and NL, and they're standing off together and shit. And I just split them down the middle. It makes it look like it's like a little fight scene or whatever. Yeah, now just masking them out. Made them fill, you know, made like fill type shit. And then I used Times New Roman to write some words down, like the song name, the artist, fucking Drake, inspired by like 75 Hertz and shit. But I did this 3D scene in my previous edit with the Hardy Boys or whatever. Okay, I got a PNG of Straw Hats. You know, I'm making a whole 3D scene. You know what I'm saying? Right now it looks like shit, but if you wanted to look like what it was in the beginning, you know, when I showed you what I'm editing, you just gotta trust the process. So I'm just like experimenting right now with the background and shit, because I can't really have the background be just black. So I got a scene from like the fight scene. I put BCC linear color key, and then I put motion detect on it, and then I made it like white. I don't even know what I did. It just happened. Okay, most of the shit that like right now looks like shit, and then look good because it just kind of happened. Okay, yeah. Now I'm putting deep glow on everything because deep glow makes everything look good. Now I'm making it blue because the previous thing was blue. It fits the vibe and everything. Now I'm like trying to do some glitches and shit, you know, some cool little glitches to make it movie doovie or whatever. Yeah. Now this is the secret sauce. Alright, secret sauce. You put an adjustment layer above everything, and you chuck noise on it. Okay, and it makes it look like this. Okay, it looks shit on 3rd quality, but when you put it on full quality, bro, the noise makes it, oh my god, it's delectable. And now I'm putting like these little shakes on the text. I don't know. And now I'm putting CC smear as one of the one framers. For some reason I'm adding one framers to the Sanji clip. It doesn't really need much because it fucking looks beautiful. Yeah, I guess I am doing the next clip, which now shows what was in the thing. It's like a reveal type shit, you know. It reveals what was in the middle of the previous clip. I got a PNG from one of my trusted leaked packs. You know, I don't like leakers, but if it does come across, if I do find a leak pack of, you know, like, I'm gonna take it. Alright, there's nothing you can do about it. So I think it's done, and I'll put another PNG on top, makes it look even better, and yeah. Sad.